Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to build a bot using Microsoft Copilot. So please watch this video till the end so that you will understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. To build this bot, first of all, we will create a solution. For that, I will click on New Solution, and then I will name this solution as Bookings. And then I will click on New Publisher. I will give the publisher name as Contoso. I will select it and paste it again in the name, and in the prefix I will paste it and make it as Contoso in small letter, and then I will click on Save. And now from the publisher I will choose Contoso. After this, I will click on Create. Now I will click on this Back to Solution. Now I will select the solution and then click on Set Preferred Solution. And then I will click on Apply. Now what I will do is I will click on Tables. Then click on this drop down and then click on Add Columns and Data. I will rename this table as Real Estate Property. I will click on Save. I will rename this column as Property Name. Then click on Update. Then click on New Column to add another column, and this time name this column as Asking Price, and select the data type as Currency. Again we will add another column and name it as Street. This time I will leave the data type as single line of text and click on Save. I will add one more column and name it as City. Data type is going to be single line of text and click on Save. And again I will add a column which will be named as Bedrooms. And this time I will choose the data type as Choice. Now under the label I will enter 1, and under the value also I will assign 1. Then I will click on New Choice, make it as 2. Here I will type 2. Then I will make it as 3. Here I will make it as 3, and then 4 and 5. And then click on Save. Now we will add one more column which will be named as Bathrooms, and the data type is going to be Choice, so I will select Choice. And then here again I'm going to give the value as 1 and 1. Then I will again choose 2 and 2 again, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5 and 5 again. And then I will click on Save. I will add one more column which will be named as Client. Data type is going to be Lookup, and in the related table I will choose as Contact. And then click on Save. And now I will click on Create. In the property name I will enter 111 example 0 high villas. Asking price is going to be 2,50,000. And then I will choose bathrooms, which will be 3. Bedrooms is going to be 2. City is going to be Redmond. I will click on edit. I will enter the street as Main Avenue. Select all the columns here and then click on save. I will leave the client field as empty. Now I will click on back. Now I will create bookings table. I will click on tables. Then click on new table, then add columns and data. I will rename the table name as booking request. Then click on save. Rename the column as booking name. Click on update. I will add one more column and name it as property. Data type will be lookup. And then I will give the table name as real estate. And then I will click on save. Add one more column and give the column name as viewer name. Click on save. Another column is going to be viewer email. Click on save. Another column is going to be booking date. Data type will be date time. Click on save. And data type is going to be plain text. Click on save and add another column which is going to be decision. Data type will be choice. And here we are going to give the value as undecided. Value is going to be 1, and then it is going to be accepted. Value is going to be 2, and then it is going to be declined. Value is going to be 3. And here we will choose the undecided as default value and click on save and then click on create. Booking request table has been created.